Introduce highlight features or overview summary about Ken Brown 1.5 liters mini desktop humidifier. Balancing comfort, modern design, and efficiency, this compact humidifier is the perfect solution for anyone seeking improved air quality at home, in the office, or while traveling. Designed with ultra-quiet technology, it operates at less than 20 decibels even at full power, quieter than a whisper, making it ideal for use during work, study, or while sleeping. You can keep it on your desk, nightstand, or shelf without it becoming a distraction, and its sleek, space-saving design blends effortlessly with contemporary decor. Despite its compact size, the humidifier houses a surprisingly large 1,500 milliliters water tank. This allows for up to 12 hours of continuous mist on a single refill. During the day, you can enjoy consistent hydration for your skin, plants, or workspace. At night, simply fill it before bed, and you'll wake up refreshed to a comfortable atmosphere. This is especially useful in dry climates or during colder months when heating systems strip moisture from the air. Flexibility is another highlight of this humidifier, with 3 mist modes available: dual nozzle for powerful output, single nozzle for lighter use, or intermittent mist for balanced humidity. This versatility ensures that you can adjust the moisture level to fit your needs and space. To enhance the atmosphere further, the humidifier includes a dual-color LED night light. Choose between soothing yellow or calming blue light for ambience, relaxation, or nighttime visibility, making it a functional yet comforting addition to your environment. Powering the unit is simple, thanks to its USB design. Whether you're using a laptop, a USB adapter, or even a portable battery, this humidifier works anywhere you need it. Safety is also a top priority, with built-in auto shut-off protection that powers down the unit when water runs out, ensuring energy efficiency and peace of mind. Compact, practical, and reliable, this humidifier is more than just a device. It's a small, stylish upgrade to your daily routine, promoting comfort and well-being in every setting. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.